If you're ever unsure of how an edit or transition is working out, you may want to watch it back a few times to get the feel for how it's flowing. This is where the play around function is helpful. I have the keyboard shortcut of Shift-K, but you can also add it to your program monitor by clicking the button editor here and dragging the play around icon to your toolbar. Place your playhead at the point you want to review and click the play around button. This will play a little before and a little after where your playhead is located. You can also turn on loop to have it keep playing back automatically. Finally, you can adjust the amount it will play before and after your playhead position under Preferences, Playback. Here, my pre-roll is set to 3 seconds and post-roll to 2 seconds, but you can just adjust it how you see fit. See you in the next one.